Welcome to the Live Big, Live Full, Live Authentic Daily Affirmation Podcast. I am Lamondre Pugh, and I am thankful that you are here. The 21-Day Authentic Leadership Reset launches October 14th, 2025, and this is your invitation to pause, reflect, and reset your approach to leadership. Each micro lesson delivers meaningful insights that help you lead with authenticity and confidence, one small step at a time. Reserve your early bird spot now at www.lamondrepugh.com/21-day reset. That's www.lamondrepugh.com/21-day reset before the discount ends 3 days after the launch. This week's theme is Grateful and Grounded, because gratitude shifts your perspective from comparison to contentment. So take a deep breath and let's begin. Repeat after me. I choose gratitude over comparison. What I have is enough. I celebrate my path and purpose. Let's repeat that together again. I choose gratitude over comparison. What I have is enough. I celebrate my path and my purpose. Now inhale gratitude, hold it, and exhale envy. Inhale peace, hold it, and exhale striving. Inhale joy, hold it, and exhale scarcity. Now picture yourself standing beside a blooming garden. Each flower blooms in its time, none competing, all beautiful. Your gratitude helps you see your own season as sacred. Now let's repeat that affirmation one last time. I choose gratitude over comparison. What I have is enough. I celebrate my path and purpose. Thank you for joining me today. The 21-Day Authentic Leadership Reset goes live October 14th, 2025. Don't wait. The early bird discount ends 3 days after the launch. Secure your discounted spot at www.lamondrepugh.com/21-day reset. That's www.lamondrepugh.com/21-day reset. And remember, your life matters, your voice has power, and the world needs the authentic you. Until tomorrow, live big, live full, live authentic.